Hi there, people. I just built a new plugin for doing affiliate marketing. I'll show you quickly. So first off, I have to add the plugin. So I'm going to the plugin section. I'm clicking on add new plugin, and I'm clicking on the upload plugin because the plugin is in my local computer right now. Then here I select my plugin, zip file, and click on the open button. Click on the install, and you can see the plugin is installed successfully. Now I have to activate the plugin. As you can see, the plugin is activated, and in the meantime, it has created a new menu option in here. I'm just clicking on this affiliate SB. Okay, after clicking the affiliate SB, you can see there is many options available, like all products, add products, settings, and help and run. In all products, you can see all of your listed products, which also you can see by clicking on this affiliate SB main menu. In add products, you can add your product. I mean, you can list your product or your website. And in settings, you can control how many products will be shown per page or per category, and can create and control the categories. In help and learn, you can find this video in order to learn how to work with this plugin. And also you can get some update about plugins. So after activating the plugin, first we need to go to the setting. I'm clicking on the setting. And in here, you can see I have included what this page does. You can manage, add or delete category, see available shortcut for each category, control more products on single product page, control how many products card will be shown per row. An empty product is your universal shortcode. This shortcode allows you to show all of your listed products at once. You see there is no category available, but when you install the plugin and get into the settings panel, you will see some preset category will be here. Just clicking by the save changes will save that category. Okay, I'm clicking on the add category. An input field appears. I'm typing a new category, like I'm clicking on the save changes, and it successfully added my category. And after that, you can see here it has generated a new shortcode for that category. Means where these shortcodes will be, the product with this category based deal will be shown there. And in here you can see the product per row is set to 4. You can set it to 1 to 6 according to your need. So we have set a category, and we have the shortcode for that category, specific category. So I'm about to set that category in a page. Then here you can see a blank page. Clicking on the edit, I'm clicking on the plus icon and get the shortcode. And in this input field, I just paste my shortcode for that category based deal, and just click on save changes. Okay, after saving changes, I return to my page, refresh the page, and see there is no product were found. Means we didn't have uploaded any. Back to the admin panel, and on that plugin you see add product. Clicking on that. In here there is only one category we just created. You can create multiple one. Now we need to add a product information. I'm going to do Amazon. If you are doing Amazon affiliate, then you can go Amazon. Or if you are doing other affiliate like Walmart, Etsy, or others, I don't know they have affiliate or not. I need to add the title in here. Then it needs a product ratings, which is optional, but I want to get it. Product ratings. After that, we have the product price. So I'm just taking the product price. Then we have the brand name. Then we have the product description. Copy the product description. In this point, I want to let you know, if you are doing Amazon affiliate, then do not try to copy their product description. Amazon didn't allow this. I repeat, do not copy Amazon product description. I don't know about other marketplace, but Amazon really is strict at this point. After that, we have to add a review link. Just copying, paste it here, and a blog post link. I don't have a blog post right now for this product. I'm clicking the same link, the affiliate link. I don't want to show you my affiliate link. That's why I'm pasting the same product. Then we have the thumbnail image. In here, you can do two things. Upload the thumbnail from your media library or upload from your local computer. And the other option is you can enter direct image information, image address in this field. I'll show you how to do that. This is your product. Just right click and copy image address and paste that in this field. Click on add image, and you can see your thumbnail image is up here. So in thumbnail image, you can only use one images, and if you don't like, you can delete it from here. And in here, you can see additional images. So I'm clicking on the additional images, copy image addresses, and paste it in here, and click on add image URL. You can see image is set. In additional images, you can set up to 6 images at a time. So I'm taking more, copy image address, paste it in here, and as you can see, I have set 1 thumbnail images and 3 of the additional images. In here, there is 2 options. One is color available and one is single color. Since this product has 3 color available, so I have to set it to color available. It's fully on yours. What do you wanna add or not? Okay, I'm clicking on the upload button, and the product is uploaded. You can add more from here. So I'm going to see in the all product section, and you can see my product is listed. In here, I can search this product by their title, or filter by the brand name, or filter by the category name. Just put that category or brand name and click on filter. In here, I don't have many products. That's why I can't show you that. And this in the action field, you can delete this product or you can edit this product. This was a demo website. That's why I'm showing you right in here. But after this, I will show you in live website. In my page where we added the category shortcode, I'm refreshing the page. You can see no products are found even after we added the product. This happens because of the website cache plugin. The speed optimizer plugin. I have to go to the plugins. If you have any speed optimizer plugin, which is really making the developers worst case. So in here, you can see a light speed cache, which really keeps the web page caches for every users. I have to deactivate this temporarily. I'm clicking on the deactivate. It's deactivated. I'm refreshing the page now, and you can see my product appears. And if you click on the details, see my product is nicely appear, and details is also nicely appear. Image is also nice. We have 3 buttons by now, which is our affiliate link, read review, which is our review link from the input, read article, which is our blog post or article from the input. And in more products, there is also so many products will be listed. I don't have many products listed in this website. That's why it's not showing. So after designing the settings and this website, you don't have to manually turn on and off this light speed cache or any speed optimizer plugin every time. You just have to do it one time while you're designing your website. And if you have a developer, that's great. So I'm reactivating the light switch cache plugin because this will not affect again. See, there is no caches are available right now. Now it's time to show you in a live website how it looks like. So this is a live website. I'm going to a menu. In here, see, I have listed 8 products for this specific category. And like that, I also have listed products for the specific category. Like this is a category, this is a category, this is another category. And if I added the main category MD product, then it will show all of my listed product. Then here you can see there's many category I have created. And you can see the product per row is every time 4. I'm clicking on a category. I want to show you this kitchen appliances category. There is 8 product. So in kitchen appliances, here is the kitchen appliances. What if I set the product? What if I set the product per row 4 to 5? Click on save. Layout is saved. Then you can see you can see no changes here because the speed optimizer plugin keeps the user cache up to 24 hours. It depends on the plugin's developer. In order to show this changes happens, I need to show you in a different browser. I copied that link and paste it on the Microsoft Edge. You see the changes happened here. Kitchen appliances, product per row, 3, 2, 4, 5. That means you can have 5 products per row. In here you can see 4 products because the cache didn't clear it. And if I set it to 6, then you will see 6. I set it to 3 and saves changes. And now this browser keeps the caches. That's why not changing anymore. What about this browser? No changes. I will have to turn on and off my light switch cache for showing you that. Okay, refresh. See, now it's 3 products per row. Like that, you can set the product per row to 1 to 6, but I like to set it on 4 for my pages because my page takes 2 side margin, look, a large margin, and the products are showing on the middle. See, this is not changing. I again open the Microsoft Edge, and you can see it is on normal like before. So I'm going to the detail phase, and in here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 of the product. So how to control that? You can see the more product settings. Control how many products will be shown on single product page or product detail page. This is the settings. If I set it to 12, then it will display 12 products here. Let me show you. I'm set change it. I don't know the cache will be cleared or not. I need to manually go to the website, performance website. This speed optimizer plugin really takes so many caches in there. Oh, the cache cleared in here. So you can see we set it to 12 products in product details phase, and we found 12 products in product details phase. So this is how you use this plugin and manage their settings from the settings panel. Also, you can find this video on this help and learn. More videos or update on the later version of this plugin video you can find on this help and learn option. I don't want to show you right now in here because I don't upload this video yet. That's why I'm not showing you. But after upcoming update or after a new update, you can find every video in this option. So with this plugin, what you can do any of the platform affiliate whatever it is, Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, eBay, whatever it is, or it could be some random affiliate company, because it has many options to show your affiliate product. And in future of this, you can get more customization options, so you can present your products to the customers more attractively. So this was the video for today. See you next time with some new update or a new plugin video.